Are you like SDRTouch Android application, but you don't like hooking your SDR dongle to it? And then no need to run rtl-sdr server manually? In this video, I will make rtl-sdr run automatically just when you open SDRTouch application. Just follow me and see how to do it with OpenSSH under Windows 10 and MacroDroid application. Hello everyone, this is Khanfar here. Today another demonstration video how to automate MacroDroid with rtl-sdr through OpenSSH under Windows 10. So the result in is you can run SDRTouch or RF Analyzer application in your Android phone anytime, any day in your home without hooking SDR dongle and without touch your PC and without run rtl-sdr manually from your PC. So we will make rtl-sdr stay on call and ready to launch anytime when you run SDRTouch from your phone. So first of all, we need to download the rtl-sdr from Osmocom binaries source and extract the folder in desktop. The link in the description below. And after extract it in your desktop like this, let's name the folder like rtl-sdr like this. It's very important because the name we need to add in SSH. As you can see from here, when you open this folder, you can see all Osmocom binaries here. We need to use rtl-sdr. Okay, this is the first step you need to do, is to download the binary in the desktop and locate it directly. When you open this folder, you will see all these binaries here from Osmocom binary and rename it like here rtl-sdr. So let's follow me in my project now. After that, now we need to activate and run Windows 10 OpenSSH server by following these steps. Okay, now let's right click on the start button here in Windows 10, then choose app and features from here. Okay, now click on optional features. Now from here we need to search or create add features here, and we need to search Open SSH server. Okay, because I have it, let's find from here. Let's name SSH and you will see Open SSH server here. Just click here and install it and wait maybe 2-3 minutes. After install the SSH server, by default the SSH server with the client will be installed too. After finishing installing the SSH server, you need to restart your PC. It's very important, you need to start your PC and going back to my tutorial here, and after that just follow me. Okay, now after install it, after finish and restart your system, now you need to click in the start and click on CMD and run as administrator CMD. Okay, it's very important to run as a administrator. Okay, now type in terminal SSH to make sure you will see it's installed correctly from here. Okay, the Open SSH server located, let's close here. It's located, the Open SSH located in C. Let's go into its directory in C, in now in Windows. From here, now system 32. Now open SSH. Okay, it's located here. It's located here. If you not find it here when you use CMD from here, if you see it not find it, you need to double click in SSH D. This here, double click. After that you will find it in CMD. Get CMD as the administrator. Okay, now let's type SSH. As you can see, it's running from here. Okay, for now everything is good. Now we need click on start Windows, then type services. Okay, now in services page we need to search for OpenSSH server. Let's search for O. As we can see here, I found it, OpenSSH server. Now we need to right click on that and going to properties. Okay, after that you will see it manually, so we need to make it automatic, so when you start the PC it will launch automatically. Okay, after choose the automatic, just hitting start. So for starting the service. After that, hitting apply to save these settings and OK. Okay. After that, close this step. Now we are in step 13 right now. I will put all these steps in the description below, so you can follow my video and the steps below to make it easy for you. After running it, we will make sure the server is running correctly in port 22 by this command. So let's open CMD and run as administrator to make sure everything is open correctly. And let's type in CMD this command in step 13 in description below. Just paste it here and hitting enter. As you can see here, you will see that TCP is 0000 and port 22 in this desktop. It's listening. Now it's open, so everything is works good for now. Now we have already SSH client is installed in your machine. Okay, to know what's your local IP, let's click Q here to quiet. Control C. Okay, going out. Now we need to know the local IP address. There's many ways to know. Let's try the CMD command. Okay, just type here ipconfig and hitting enter. As you can see here, I have a VMware workstation machine here in my PC, so I can see many ports. And right now I am connecting through a wireless LAN adapter. As you can see here, the IPv4 address. This is my local machine IP address, 192.168.43.171, and this is the gateway. We need this the IP address of your connected. If you connected in using LAN, you just take the LAN IP address. So let's note this in paper because we need to add this in your phone. Okay, just know the IP address like this. So let's for example, you can follow the steps below in my description or use this. For now I will use this IP address. Okay, 192.168.43.171. Okay, after knowing the IP address, there is another way to know. Just clicking here and open network, and it's hitting the Wi-Fi because I am from Wi-Fi, and status, properties, go down. You can see my IPv4 address. This is my local in my PC IP address, so we need this for rtl-tcp. Okay, after know your IP address, okay, if, I close my phone by mistake here in my recording in screen, so let's open my phone. Okay, I'm sorry for that. My phone now connected to my PC for streaming and to show you my phone. Okay, now we need, after that, after you knowing your IP, your local IP address, and after installing and running and make the OpenSSH for Windows running automatically, now we need to, after this step, we need to install an Android phone these two applications, MacDroid application and Rasp Controller application. So the links in description. Open your Play Store and it's installing MacDroid. As you can see, this we need to install in your phone, and another one we need to install is Rasp Controller. This is a Rasp Controller, this one. Okay, I use the free version, it's work perfectly, and in MacDroid I use a paid version, so I think maybe it's work correctly in the free version. This is a free version of Rasp Controller we need to install in your Android phone, Android device. Okay, after that, after installing this, now let's running the Rasp Controller and follow me. Let's running the Rasp Controller from here. Okay, after open this page, we need to create a user, just hitting this plus icon down. Okay, and now we need to put the device name the same Windows PC. Okay, how to know what's your Windows PC name? Just going to my computer and going to C and going to users. Okay, as you can see from users here, the file here up, this is your PC name. This is your PC name. Just rename, just copy this PC name and paste it here, M0569. Okay, after that, the host IP address, you need to put here your PC local IP address that I tell you to note this. So let's put 192.168.43.171, and the SSH port by default it's 22. Okay, now in authentication part, select password. Let's make it here. Let's select here the password, and the username, you need to put here the username, the same username in your PC. So the username is M0596. This is in my case, and put here the password, your Windows 10 password, not Windows 10 pin code. Your Windows pin password that you are logged into your Windows pin when you create your account, the Windows 10 password, not a pin code. Okay, my password, I will put my password here. Okay, after that just hitting save. I am not hitting save because I have my back. I have my account here. Okay, let's try to log in. After that just hitting here and you will see if everything is okay. You will see this page. If you make something wrong by username is different, let's change the username. Let's edit the username. Let's make it the different username, not the same real in my PC. Let's save. Let's try to connect with wrong username. As you can see, connection error. So from here you need to make your exactly username in your Windows 10 and you put your exactly password. Hitting save. Now after that, as you can see here, the page is open and everything is correct for now in this step. Okay, so now to make sure your phone is connected, enter to SSH shield. I will enter to SSH shield from here, just clicking here. As you can see here, the SSH shield is opened correctly. As you can see here from my name, my PC, it's M0569. So let's try to make to test dir, hitting enter. As you can see here, the files in my system, everything is okay. This is just for testing, is everything is okay. Okay, now make sure your phone is connected at the same network. If not connected at the same network with your PC, so it will not can connect to SSH shield. Okay. Okay, now let's go back and create a custom command. So let's go into a custom command from here and hitting the custom command. Okay, now after hitting the custom command, we need to create a new custom command. Okay, now a new custom command, we need to make the name is rtl-tcp. From description, I will put the all in my description. So let's put rtl-tcp, and the command here, let's put from the command I will post in the description below. So C, capital letter, 2 dots, like this. User, the U is capital, users, like this. The command I will post down in description, and your PC name. For in my case, my PC name is M0569 in Windows. After that, desktop, because we put the folder that we extract in the first of the video, the Osmocom binaries source for rtl-tcp, we put it in the desktop. After that, let's put what the name, we name it rtl-tcp. This is the name of the folder. After that, we are inside that folder, so we make the command rtl_tcp space -a space 192.168.43, my local LAN IP address that we note in the first of the video, 0.171. This is my IP address here, as you can see. I'm just hitting add. So I add it already. After add it, now we need to add another command. Just hitting this add icon in the corner down, and now let's name I put the description, everything in description. Let's rename it old task killed. Okay, this command, it's a close force stop the rtl-tcp. So when you going back to run your SDRTouch, when you open it again, so it killed the last command and restart a new command. Okay, now let's put the command here. What's the command? The command is task. I put all in the description. Kill space and put this. I am space rtl_tcp dot exe space this with if. As you can see, this is the command. After I put the command, just click on add. So after that, you will have two commands here: rtl-tcp new and old task killed. Okay. Okay, here after that, I want to click edit to put my IP address 143.171. Okay, after you finish the two command, now let's going out from this. After that, we need to run the MacroDroid application. Okay, here I use a pro version. I think it's work correctly with a free version. Now click in add macro wizard from here. After that, we need to select a trigger. Now we need to create a new trigger by clicking the application from here. Then choose application launched and closed. Application launched and closed from here. Then select application launched from here. Now hitting OK. Now you will see a list of all applications in your phone. Just select SDRTouch application. Okay, let's waiting. I have many applications on my phone, so it's some lag. Let's search for SDR touch here. Select it and hitting OK. Okay. Now after that, we need to select the action for this trigger. Just swipe your finger in the left, sorry, to go into the right. Okay, now in action we need to click in applications. Now click in local tasker plugin from here. After that, now select the Rasp Controller. Now Rasp Controller command. After that, hitting here to search for the user we put here, we created first, and with this IP, just hitting in this. And now in the command part, just clicking here, and now we need to click on all task killed, this that we make. After that, make sure that show the result it's okay. After that, hitting and hitting OK. And now let's hitting another OK. Let's rename it like rtl-tcp automate. Just hitting OK. Okay, now going to macros and going down to see this rtl-tcp automate and hitting init. Now just hitting add. In action here, hitting add. After that we need to go into notification, and it's going to pop-up message, and here we need to create a pop-up message when the first command is success. So we know it's success by pop-up message. Okay, in this pop-up message we need to put like old TCP killed. Okay, I'm hitting OK. Okay, now we need to create another one. Just hitting plus. Now going to applications and locally task plugins, Rasp controllers command. Here just search for your user, and here you need to put the command rtl-tcp new, and hitting it's done, and click OK. After that we need to create another one, notification, pop-up message. So here in pop-up message, let's make rtl-tcp launched correctly. So we know the rtl-tcp is launched correctly. This message we'll see when this command is okay. We see this pop-up message. Okay, as you can see from here, the trigger is application launched SDRTouch. The action is Rasp Controller command task killer. We kill the old task if it's running, and pop-up message of the old task killed, and we this command we launched a new rtl-tcp in this IP address with pop-up message that comment to us is everything is okay. Okay, just hitting this. Okay, after that just try to launch SDRTouch. Okay. Okay, before that, I don't know if I active the rtl-tcp automate. Going to home. Okay, I'm sorry for that. I forget to click on this uncategorized triggers I make from here, make sure it's on, and the main it's on. I'm sorry about that, I forgot to just make it on, and going back to home and make sure it's on. Okay, after that it's running SDRTouch. As you can see, all tasks killed, rtl-sdr launched correctly. Okay, no problem about this error. It will work now. Let's go into the open. Now network rtl-sdr, click in that. Now put here your local IP address with in the final 1234 the port, and just hitting OK. As you can see, now it's working. As you can see, it's working correctly. Let's close the program. Let's click here to close the program. Let's run the program again. It's going to open. Network rtl-sdr, hitting OK. As you can see, it's open again. So let's stop. So every time when you just launch the SDRTouch, the rtl-sdr trigger is killed. If there's an old task, and launch the new task, and you can run it anytime you want when you are in home. No need to going to your PC and run it manually, and you can fix your IP address in your PC. So after that you can know the IP address on your PC. Just you can fix it. You can make it not DHCP. You can make it manual and fix your IP address and make it fix. Let's try it now to put. Let's open the Rasp Controller. There is another option you can do. Let's see from here. You can add a plugin, a widget from here. Use widget. You can add. You can rename what you like from here. You can put the task killer from here, and you can after that go into MacDroid, and you can create a new, and you can use sensors, and you can use a shake device, and you can put the action in shake device. Applications, and you can make right now just plugins, Rasp controllers, Rasp controller commands, and you can put here this command and hitting OK, and click OK and save it. Let's name it as a shake kill, and click in OK. After that we can go here and we will see this, and you can add here another thing. You can add you can device action, speak text. Let's put it here, rtl-sdr kill, and it's hitting OK and save. Now go back. Okay, now from PC, just Ctrl Alt with delete task manager. So I will let you see something. It's going to details here, and it's going to rtl-tcp. Let's find if there are rtl-tcp here. As you can see, there's rtl-tcp. Now I will try to shake my phone. Okay, now I will try to let you see something. Let's try to run rtl-tcp manually from here. I will put in MacroDroid. When I use sensor like vibrate my phone, shake my phone, it will say rtl-tcp killed and kill the rtl-tcp. As you can see, my mouse is here. I want to shake my phone.
rtl-tcp killed.
As you can see, the command here and the rtl-tcp, it's killed. Let's put again. I'm hitting enter. I want to shake my phone.
rtl-tcp killed.
Okay, the rtl-tcp killed. When I shake it, it's closed. Okay, let's try to launch SDRTouch. It's going to open. As you can see here, you should wait until the command is run and finished. Network rtl-tcp, it's hitting OK. As you can see, every time when you open your program, your SDRTouch, it will create new rtl-tcp connection. So you can do these steps with SDR with the different software. Another software you can use this with the RF analyzer. With RF analyzer, this software is very good. You can create the same things with this software. When you launch the RF analyzer, just follow all these steps the same with this program. So you can easy anytime when you are home, just open the application like SDRTouch or RF Analyzer. So the rtl-tcp run automatically. No need to going to your PC and physically run it, and that's it. Okay, you can test it yourself. I hope this video is helpful for you. Okay, this is Khanfar here. Don't forget to hit the bell icon and subscribe my channel. Okay, for that 73, and bye bye.